Hello, welcome to the fourth video of our series. In this video, we are going to talk about the perfect voice file. We are going to talk about how to name a file, how long a file should be, etc. etc. Let us take a look. The ideal file. What should be the file length? How many minutes? Where not to end the file? Where to definitely end a file? And how to name a file. First, the length of a file. The length of a file should be minimum 15 minutes, maximum 20 to 25 minutes. Anything more than that and the student's attention span lowers. What if the file is too short or too long? If the file is too short, making it long while editing is not possible. What if it is too long? Then the editor has to cut this file into two so that it's a good length. Where not to end a file? Do not end a file in the middle of a sentence. Obviously, we all know that. Also in the middle of a paragraph. In the middle of the answer to a question. We must end a file only after a question and its answer has ended. And in the middle of a subtopic. We should end the file only after completing the subtopic. Where to definitely end a file? Always end a file at the end of a chapter or a lesson. The simple rule is new chapter, new file. When one chapter ends, the last file for the chapter ends there, irrespective of the timing. And the new chapter begins with a new file. How to name a file? The simple rule, chapter number followed by page numbers. That is, suppose I am reading chapter 3, then chapter 3 followed by the page I started reading and the page I stopped at. I'll give you an example how I save my files. Like this. CH3 page 13 to 15. Or sometimes I may want to save PAGE. Sometimes I may want to save it as PG. Between 13 and 15 I may decide to write 2 or just give a dash. But whatever I decide, I must keep it so consistently for that chapter. Look at the next file that I will save. It will be CH3 page 15 to 18. The format of the next file names will be exactly the same as the format you have used for the first file. Keep the format exactly the same. In the next video, let us look at another area of our work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will find it useful. Do subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get an intimation every time we upload a new video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.